The hot topic on Twitter for the past 2-3 days has been the decommissioning of the book by Bloomsbury India on the Delhi riots, and it has been confabulated as assault on freedom of speech and some such. Basically, that's all nonsense. In India, we never had freedom of speech. Nobody aspires to it, whether it is the left wing, the right wing, or any other wing. In fact, all over the world, freedom of expression is under grave threat by all sorts of opinions. Nobody wants freedom for the other to speak. Freedom of speech has come to mean what I want to speak, and that is free, that should be free. What the other is saying is basically nonsense, hate speech, ban it. To me, this particular instance is more of the financial muscle of the selected few who have been in academics and have been ruling in India the academic field. They have been deciding what is to be published, what is not to be published, what gets attention, what doesn't get attention. The problem here is in India is that the right wing, or the so-called right wing in India, is still nascent, is still growing. They have the financial muscle, but they don't know how to use it. There are varied opinions, everyone differs from the others, and we don't have an outlet for the same. Building an ecosystem is not an overnight job, nor is it a 1 year, 2 year, or 6 year job. People don't realize that the left have invested 50 years of their life to build up this ecosystem. 50 years, mind well, 2 generations they have done. Now they are reaping the benefits of it. Whereas this generation, or the right wing which has come into being in the past 6-7 years, they want it like instant noodles. Doesn't happen that way. It takes time. The best way to do it is what has been done. Publish it with a publication who is more attuned to your views. Get more writers to write. Publish as much as possible, whether good, bad, or ugly. Let the audience decide. Even on Twitter itself, we have the power to make a book successful, because 10, 20,000, 30,000 copies selling on Twitter by the people on Twitter itself should be quite easy. But does that happen? We are going to see with this book. I have some more thoughts on this, especially on the money power and this. Possibly I'll be sharing it in some other videos for you.